All right. So last Friday, no, not Friday. Last week, we discussed about the law of exponents in division or over division. So let us answer more examples on page 18 on your book. Then we will answer the rest later. Okay, page 18. Are you there already? So I'm going to answer it, explain. Okay, for number 1, we have 10 power of 10. If you know how to answer it, then go. You can answer it now. For those who still do not understand, so please listen. So 10 power of 10 over 10 power of 8. So again, we do subtraction. So 10 power of 2. Very good. Or if you can write it as 100. Next, x power of 4. Okay. X power of 6 over x power of 4. So x power of what? No. So 6 minus 4. X power of 2. Number 3. W power of 8. X power of 4. W power of 2. Then x. Okay, next. So W, then 8 minus 2, then x, 4 minus 1. Okay. So W power of 6, and then x power 3. Who said 5? Okay, next. 8m power of 7. At least I correct. Okay. So 4m power of 3. Am I correct now? Okay. All right, so 8 divided by 4 is how many? 8 divided by 4. 8 หาร 4. 2. Then m, 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay. Correct now? At least you are awake. You're not sleeping. So 3c power of 2. 9 divided by 3. 3. Okay. C, 7 minus 2, 5. Number 6. Can I erase this? Okay. 8p power of 8. Negative 8, sorry. Then 2p power of 3. I will write in here. Negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. Very good. I want to hear your voices. 8 minus 3 is 5. So that even in the video you can hear your voice. Okay? Next. Next, number 7. 3b power of 2, 6b. Okay, so let's do the cancellation method. So this is 1 and this is 2. Okay. So we have b power of 2 minus 1. Okay. B over 2. Number 8. 11b power of 3 over negative 44b. So this is 1 and this is 4 or negative 4. Then 3 minus 1. 2. So we have b power of 2 over negative 4. Number 9, a power of 11, b power of 8, all over a, b power of 2. Okay, so a, 11 minus 1 is 10. Then b, 8 minus 2, we have 6. Okay, number 10. X power of 3, y power of 7, x power of 2, y power of 3. Okay. So we have 3 minus 2 is 1. So it's okay now. Then for y, 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay. 11. Negative r power of 9, s power of 8. Then r power of 4, s power of 3. So negative and positive, so the answer is negative. Remember that. So r, 9 minus 4 is 5. S, 8 minus 3, 5 also. Number 12. A, b power of 3, c power of 4, all over b power of 2, and c. So we don't have a here in denominator, so just copy. Okay. B, 3 minus 2 is 1. Then C, 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, 18. So negative x, it has parentheses. And then negative x, and then power of 4. Okay, so since it has parentheses, so it means they are, it's just like, think that they are protected. Okay. And both of them has parentheses. So just copy them or copy it. So negative x with parentheses, 7 minus 4. Okay. Negative x, don't remove it yet. Okay. Then this is power of 3. So again, if negative and the outside exponent is odd number, so it is negative x or negative answer. Or the answer is negative. Okay now? Okay, 4p power of 2. Okay, then power of 7. Okay, 4p. Alright, so they are the same, right? So you don't subtract them, okay, because it has parentheses. You only subtract outside the exponent. Okay, so we have 4p power of 2, 7 minus 6. Okay, 4p power of 2, 7 minus 6 is 1. That's it. Or the answer simply is 4p power of 2. Okay, number 19. Okay, negative b. Okay. Then power of 3. So we have negative b. Again, do not remove yet, okay, the parentheses unless you are not yet finished. Okay. So 9 minus 3. Okay, negative b power of 6. So since it is even number, so the answer is positive b power of 6. Do not remove the parentheses if you are not yet finished on the exponent. Okay, 4q. Okay, quantity power of 3. Okay, 4q power of 2. So now they are different, okay, unlike 17, 18, 19. Because this one has parentheses, this one do not have. Okay. So first, apply the distributive property. So 4 power of 3, q power of 3. And then 4 q power of 2. Okay, 3 minus 1, q, 3 minus 2. So the answer, 4 power of 2, sorry, okay, q, okay, power of 1. Or you can write, if you know what is power of 2, 16, then q. First, remove the parentheses, okay, if they are different. 19, what's the problem? Where is the negative? Because it's even number. If even number, the answer is positive. This one is odd number. Do you know what is odd number? 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay? If odd number, the answer is still negative. Okay. I will show you. Okay. Negative x times negative x times negative x. This one is positive x, right? And then times negative x, so, sorry, power of 2. So negative x power of 3. This one, okay, I will just show na to force. Okay, negative b. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This one, positive, okay, b power of 2, right? This one, b power of 2, b power of 2. All positive already. Okay? So, the answer, b power of 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. Clear? So, even if I put, for example, this is 102, okay? So you will not write 102 negative b, right? So remember that if even number, it's positive. Okay? Yeah. What else? Any more question? Okay, 15. Okay, 42a b power of 4. Negative 48 b power of 3. So do the cancellation method. Okay. Divided by 6. 42 divided by 6, how many? 7. Very good. How about 48 divided by 6? Or negative 8. Okay? So, no more. Cannot cancel, right? 7 and negative 8. So, we have 7 over negative 8. A, B. 4 minus 3 is 1. Or you can write 7AB over negative 8. It's the same. This one is correct. This one is also correct. Okay, 21. 9x power of 7, y power of 5, okay, negative x, quantity power of 4, y power of 2. So just like what I've said, if they are not the same, so remove first the parentheses. So I will copy first this one, 9x power of 7, y power of 5. Again, this is even number. So the answer is positive or negative? Positive. X power of 4, y power of 2. Then 9. X, 7 minus 4, 3. Y, 5 minus 2, 3. Okay now? Just asking question. All of you can answer, huh? Well, but why only PJ? Okay, 23. Then later we'll ask 22. Okay, power of 6, b power of 5. negative AB quantity power of 3. 23. Okay, so first remove the parentheses. There's no problem, no exponent here. So negative A power of 6, B power of 5. Next, again, just like what I've said, this is odd number. So if I will remove the parentheses, what will be the answer? Negative. Okay, very good. A power of 3, B power of 3. Distributive law of exponent. So negative and negative, so the answer is positive. 6 minus 3 is 3. B, 5 minus 3, 2. You will ask 24. Oh no, I think you can answer 24. Huh? 22. Manaw, can you answer 22? Next, 22. Negative x power of 5, y power of 8. Okay. So first step, remove the parentheses. So I will copy it first. The numerator. Then this is even number. So what will be the answer? Positive or negative? Positive. Very good. 2 times 2. Song kun song. Okay, 4. So we have negative x. 5 minus 4 is 1. Y power of 8. So that next week we are finished in law of exponent. And next one, page 23. The zero exponent, the law of zero exponents and the law of negative exponents. This is very easy. Okay. So for the law of negative exponent, if you have negative 1 or any negative numbers exponent, just bring it to or make it denominator to make it positive. Next, 7 power of negative 1, 1 over 7. So easy. 8 power of negative 1, 1 over 8. 4, 1. Very good. How about number 5? How about number 5? What do you think is the answer? Dini? Number 5. 10 power of negative 2. What do you think is the answer? We read this as 1 over 10, 1 over 7, 1 over 8. How about this one? PJ? No, that's the common mistake, which is wrong. Okay, all of this, you make it denominator. So 1 over 100. All of this one, okay? So 7 power of negative 2. So we have 1 over 7 of power of 2. So 1 over 49. Number 7. Oh, PJ, you can answer na. Number 7. What's the answer? Over? Yes. Okay. Or 1 over 64. Oh, number 8, Manaw. 1. Okay. Okay, now, number 9. Oh, my video now is a little bit longer. Okay. What time is it? Okay, I have 10 minutes. Number 9. Okay, 2 power of negative 3, 2 power of 3. So again, applying the law of exponent in multiplication. So they have the same base, right? So 2, negative 3 plus 3. 2 power of what? 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. 0. So by applying the zero exponent law, okay, if you have exponent of 0, it is equal to 1. Any number, okay? Like 33 power of 0 is equal to 1. Any number, y power of 0 is equal to 1. Any variable, or 99999 power of 0, it is 1. Okay? Any number.